Hello, my name is Marian Enache and I am the founder of Rugest. Thank you for inviting me. So Rugest is a renewable energy company focused on hybrid energy solutions such as solar PV and biogas. So today I would like to talk about the ASTRO N7 Bifacial model with a power range of 600 to 620 watts peak. It is a high-power bifacial photovoltaic module based on N-type TOPCon technology with half-cut cells with module efficiency up 23%. In our case, we use it for commercial industrial rooftop projects. My first impression was very positive. The module has a solid glass construction, a precise frame, and a high-quality industrial finish. The 600-620 watts power class is mature, and TOPCon technology is well established in the market. From an installation point of view, the module is suitable for commercial and industrial rooftop applications, and for us, it is a good fit for PV projects where performance, durability, and long-term reliability are important. For the ASTRO N7 module, the N-type TOPCon technology helps support good performance in the high temperature conditions, which is important on industrial and commercial rooftops. The bifacial design can provide additional energy gain, depending of course of the rear side irradiation. In terms of reliability, the half-cut cell design helps improve behavior under partial shading and reduce the risk of hotspots. The glass structures also gives the module additional robustness. In terms of durability, the 50 years product warranty and 30-year linear power warranty are important point for long-term project confidence. And overall, I see this module as a solid and bankable solution for commercial and industrial rooftop PV projects. So in the 600 watts plus TOPCon bifacial module segment, there are several strong international manufacturers, and many products can look quite similar on the paper. And for this reason, for us, the real comparison is not only about the data sheet numbers, but also about manufacturing quality, long-term reliability, bankability, supply chain stability, and technical support. For the ASTRO N7, I will describe the pricing of the ASTRO N7 a competitive with the high-power TOPCon module segment. I will not evaluate it only on the lowest price per watt, but on the balance between price, performance, bifacial capability, glass construction, and long-term warranty. So compared with the other alternatives in the same category, the final price can depend on volume, delivery terms, and project location. As a high-power bifacial module, it is not universal for every project. So the key point, I think, is to check the inverter compatibility and expected bifacial gain during the design phase. If I would have some suggestions for the ASTRO N7, I would say that the panels in the future need to be more compacted and more not so heavy. Yeah. The module has a glass structure, a 50-year product warranty, and 30 years linear power warranty. For the ASTRO N7, I think the main points are normal PV module life cycle costs, like cleaning, periodic visual inspection, and when needed, thermographic checks. For bifacial modules, cleaning and soiling should be considered careful, because They can affect both front side and production and rear side gain. So in our view, Astronergy, the panel ASTRO N7, does not introduce specific hidden cost. I think there are standard operation and maintenance elements that should be planned from the beginning. So if the ASTRO N7 is not available for our project or need to be changed for different reasons, we will change it. We'll choose from Canadian Solars. For ASTRO N7, in terms of installation and usability, I would say 4. Performance and reliability 4. Build quality and durability 4. And value for money, I would say 4.